Canada, the vast and scenic country known for its maple syrup and ice hockey, is making a daring bet on its future with a $30 billion energy plan. Imagine a country already rich in natural resources deciding to take a leap of faith, setting its sights on becoming an energy superpower. That's exactly what Canada is doing. The nation has earmarked a staggering $30 billion to transform its energy sector. This ambitious plan aims to reshape the country's energy landscape and, by extension, its economic future. But what does it mean to become an energy superpower? It's not about dominating the global oil market or mining more coal. No, Canada's vision is much grander and far more sustainable. It's about harnessing the power of renewable energy sources like wind, solar, and hydroelectric power. It's about investing in cutting-edge technologies to store and distribute that energy. And most importantly, it's about reducing the country's carbon footprint and contributing to the global fight against climate change. Canada's energy plan is a testament to the country's commitment to a greener future. It's a bold move, one that underscores the nation's resolve to be a leader in the world of renewable energy. The plan is far-reaching, touching upon various sectors from infrastructure and technology to education and job creation. The $30 billion investment is not just about dollars and cents. It's about creating a sustainable and prosperous future for all Canadians. It's about ensuring that the nation's energy industry is resilient, innovative, and competitive on the global stage. It's about making a positive and lasting impact on the world. This energy plan is an investment in Canada's future. It's a statement to the world that Canada is serious about tackling climate change. It's a commitment to creating a sustainable green economy that benefits everyone. But more than that, it's a challenge to the rest of the world. A challenge to follow in Canada's footsteps and make the necessary investments in renewable energy. To prioritize sustainability over short-term profits. To take a stand for the future of our planet. This is a bold move that could reshape the global energy landscape and put Canada at the forefront of the green energy revolution. It's not just about the oil anymore. Canada is shifting gears towards greener and cleaner energy sources. The country, known for its vast landscape and abundant natural resources, is now setting its sights on a different type of energy wealth: renewable energy. The idea of transitioning from traditional energy sources to greener alternatives is not new, but the scale at which Canada is planning to do this is truly remarkable. The country is blessed with an abundance of renewable energy resources. From the powerful gusts of wind that sweep across the prairies, to the radiant sunlight that bathes its expansive coasts, to the mighty rivers that carve their way through the landscape, Canada's potential for renewable energy is vast and largely untapped. But it's not just about harnessing these resources, it's about investing in the infrastructure to support them. It's about creating a grid that can handle the influx of energy from wind farms, solar panels, and hydropower plants. This is a massive undertaking, and it comes with its own set of challenges. From the technical difficulties of integrating renewable energy into the grid, to the financial challenges of funding such an ambitious project, the road to renewable energy is fraught with obstacles. Yet these challenges come with opportunities. They drive innovation, spurring on the development of new technologies and solutions. They create jobs, as the demand for skilled workers in the renewable energy sector grows, and most importantly, they pave the way for a cleaner, greener future. This transition to green energy is not just an environmental imperative, it's an economic opportunity. It's a chance for Canada to lead the world in the shift towards sustainable energy, to become a beacon of innovation and progress in the face of climate change. It's a gamble, yes, but one that could pay off in ways we can't even begin to imagine. Canada's energy future is not just a dream, but a reality that is being built today. This journey to green energy is not just about changing the way we power our homes and businesses. It's about changing the way we think about energy, about our impact on the planet, and about our responsibility to future generations. It's a journey that starts now, and it's a journey that we all have a part to play in. Canada's energy plan is not just about energy, it's about creating a stronger, more resilient economy and thousands of new jobs. At the heart of this plan lies the potential to give Canada's economy a significant boost. The $30 billion investment is projected to stimulate economic growth, not only through the energy sector, but also through the ripple effects across various industries. Let's break it down. Firstly, the energy plan is expected to create jobs, lots of them. From research and development to construction and operation of new energy facilities, the plan is set to open up a wide range of employment opportunities. Think about it, the creation of new energy infrastructure alone requires a substantial workforce. And these aren't just any jobs. They're high-quality, high-paying jobs that can provide stability for families and communities across Canada. But the plan doesn't stop at job creation. It also aims to foster innovation and technological advancements. This means Canada could become a global leader in clean energy technology, attracting investment and talent from around the world. And with this, the emergence of new industries is highly likely. We're talking about industries that we might not even have thought of yet. Ones that could redefine the way we think about energy and its uses. Furthermore, the energy plan could also lead to an increase in Canada's gross domestic product, or GDP. As the energy sector grows, so does its contribution to the economy. This growth, coupled with the stimulation of other industries and job creation, could lead to a significant rise in Canada's GDP. In a nutshell, the energy plan is not just an investment in Canada's energy future, it's an investment in the country's economic future. It's about building a stronger, more resilient economy that can withstand the challenges of the future while providing opportunities for all Canadians. Canada's energy plan is a blueprint for a prosperous and sustainable future. Canada's energy plan doesn't just affect Canada, it holds implications for the whole world. Imagine a world where one nation's bold step towards a cleaner, greener future serves as a beacon of hope and inspiration for all. Canada's ambitious energy plan, with its $30 billion price tag, could very well be that beacon. By investing heavily in renewable energy, Canada is poised to influence global energy markets in a significant way. As the nation becomes a superpower in the energy sector, it will have a direct impact on the supply and demand equation of the world's energy market. This could potentially lead to a shift in energy prices worldwide and a decrease in our reliance on fossil fuels. But the implications don't end there. Canada's energy plan also holds the potential to significantly reduce global carbon emissions. By setting a high standard for renewable energy production, Canada is showing the world that it's possible to power a country without contributing to the climate crisis. This initiative could very well inspire other countries to follow suit, sparking a global movement towards renewable energy. Speaking of inspiration, Canada's energy plan isn't just about the economics and the environment. There's a geopolitical angle to consider as well. As Canada becomes an energy superpower, it will likely gain more influence on the world stage. This could lead to a shift in power dynamics and allow Canada to play a more significant role in global policy making, particularly around energy and climate issues. In the grand scheme of things, Canada's energy plan is more than just a national initiative. It's a global precedent. It's a testament to what can be achieved when a nation decides to invest in its future and the future of the planet. It's a story of ambition, innovation, and global responsibility. Canada's $30 billion energy plan is a game changer, not just for the country, but for the whole world.